The first question, find x if 2x plus 1, 13 and 5x minus 3 are in AP. So there is one unknown, which means to find it you need to make one equation. Now how do we make that one equation? They have said that these three numbers are in AP, which means second term minus first term will be equal to third term minus second term. So that's your equation. So second term minus first term, I am putting brackets because there is a negative sign. So when I open the brackets, the signs will change. Be very careful about these things. Then is equal to third term minus second term. I am not putting a bracket because there is just one number. So 13 minus 2x minus 1 equal to 5x minus 16. I will transpose x terms on one side and the remaining on the other. So I get minus 2x minus 5x equal to minus 16 minus 13 plus 1. So I get minus 7x equal to minus 28. So x equal to minus 28 by minus 7. Negative terms cancel, signs cancel, 7 ones are 4s are. So the value of x is 4. The second question, which term of AP 3, 15, 27, 39? So they have given the AP 3, 15, 27, 39 will be 120 more than its 30th term. So the 30th term is A of 30. Which term will be 120 more than this? Means we have to add 120 to this and find the term. Now when they ask you which term, they are asking us to find the value of n. To find the value of n, we need to find A of n using this condition. Now from the AP we have A equal to 3, D equal to 15 minus 3, that is 12. So A of 30 will be equal to A, that is 3, plus n minus 1, that is 30 minus 1 into 12. This is equal to 3 plus 29 into 12. We'll do 29 into 12 here. 9 2s are 18, 2 2s are 4, 58, 1, so it's 29. So 8, 4, 1, 3. So it is 3 plus 348. So we get A of 30 as 351. Now we'll add 120 to it. So 351 plus 120 will be equal to 174. That is 471. Now using this, A of 30 plus 120, that is 471, equal to A of n. So that is 3 plus n minus 1 into D, that is 12. So 471, I'll transpose 3 on the other side, it becomes 471 minus 3 equal to 12n minus 12. So I get 468 equal to 12n minus 12. Transpose minus 12 on the other side, I get 468 plus 12 equal to 12n. So 480 equal to 12n. So n equal to 480 by 12. 12 ones are, 40s are. So n equal to 40. So the 40th term will be 120 more than the 30th. Now the third question, is minus 135 a term of the AP 15, 12, 9? So they have given the AP as 15, 12, 9 and they have asked if minus 135 is a term of this AP. So we'll assume it is a term of this AP. So 135 will be our A of n. So minus 135, that's A of n, equal to A, that is 15 plus n minus 1 into D. D is 12 minus 15 minus 3. Remember, it's a decreasing AP, so D will be negative. Don't forget to put the brackets for the negative sign. I'll transpose 15 on the other side. It becomes minus 135 minus 15 equal to minus 3 into n, minus 3n, minus 3 into minus 1 plus 3. Minus 135 minus 15 is minus 150 I'll transpose plus 3 on the other side, it becomes minus 3 equal to minus 3n. So I get minus 153 equal to minus 3n. So n equal to minus 153 by minus 3, minus signs cancels, 3 ones are 51s are. So n is equal to 51, which means minus 135 is the 51st term of this AP. Since n we got it as a natural number, this will be a term. Had we got n in terms of decimals or fractions, it would have meant that this was not a term of this AP. But since we've got a proper natural number, it means that minus 135 is a term of the given AP. Okay, now question number 4. The 8th term of an AP is 37. So they given us A of 8 equal to 37 and the 12th term is 57. So A of 12 is 57 and they have asked us to find the AP. Whenever they ask you to find the AP, remember you have to find the first 3 terms at least. Now to find the terms we need to know A and D. So there are 2 unknowns, we need 2 equations and we've got 2 conditions. So we can make 2 equations. So A of 8 equal to 37 means 37 is equal to A plus n minus 1, that is 8 minus 1, 7D. This is our first equation. A of 12 is 57, which means 57 equal to A plus n minus 1, that is 12 minus 1, 11D. This is our second equation. Now I'll use these 2 equations and use elimination method and find the value of A and D. Since A values are same, I'll directly subtract so that A values cancel, A cancels. Subtraction, signs will change. Plus A minus A becomes 0. 37 minus 57 becomes minus 20. 7 minus 11 becomes minus 4D. So D is equal to minus 20 by minus 4. Minus signs cancels, 4 ones are, 5s are. So D equal to 5. Now we found the value of D. Using one of these equations, we can find the value of A. I'll use the first equation, that is 37 equal to A plus 7 into D, that is 7 into 5. So 37 equal to A plus 35. So A equal to 37 minus 35. So we get A equal to 2 from here. Alright. Now we know A and we know D. We can find the AP. So the AP is, the first term is 2, second term is first term plus D, that is 2 plus 5, 7. The third term is second term plus D, that is 7 plus 5, 12, and so on. So we found the AP. Alright, the fifth and the last question. The fifth term of an AP is 0. So A of 5 is 0. Show that its 33rd term is 4 times its 12th term. So we have to show that this is equal to 4 times its 12th term. Now again we do not know A and D. There are 2 unknowns, but we have been given only one condition, which means this is a problem in which you will substitute one unknown in terms of the other, or rather A in terms of D. So I'll apply the formula to this. A of 5 is A plus n minus 1, that is 5 minus 1, 4D equal to 0. So A equal to minus 4D. So I've got A in terms of D. Now all I'll do is I'll substitute the value of A as minus 4D in this. So let's find A of 33, that is equal to A plus n minus 1, that is 33 minus 1, 32D. But A is minus 4D. So minus 4D plus 32D. So minus 4 plus 32 is 28D. So we have found A of 33. Alright, now we'll find A of 12. So A of 12 will be A plus n minus 1, that is 12 minus 1, 11D. So this is equal to minus 4D plus 11D. So A of 12 will be equal to 7D. Now you can clearly see that A of 33 is 28D and A of 12 is 7D. So A of 12 into 4 equal to 7D into 4, that is equal to 28D, which is equal to the 33rd term. So 4 times the 12th term is equal to the 33rd term.